Let's do our writing. I notice this song starts forte. I don't see any changes to that on the first page. Let's look at the next page. Look at that. This is just a loud song. It's a great song to be a loud song too. We do have a repeat sign, which makes sense. We've got 2 verses, don't we? Let's find our hand position. Raha, once again, we're gonna sneak our thumb to F. Everyone gets a key. But Laha's different this time. We're gonna put our peace sign fingers, our 2 and our 3, on D and C. Everyone gets a key. And that means that our thumbs are next door neighbors. And in my studio, when our thumbs are next door neighbors, we play a little hello to each other. So feel free to take a moment to play a hello between your neighbor thumbs. We're gonna start with Raha, finger 3. 1, 2, 3, 4.